In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send email campaigns for free using Shopify's very own email marketing tool. This is perfect for beginners who are looking to harness the power of email marketing without any added costs. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to have your Shopify dashboard open. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel where you'll find a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in the search bar, type in email. Email. You're specifically looking for the email app that's been created by Shopify, so keep an eye out for that in the search results. Once you've located it, click on it and proceed to install it. The installation process is pretty straightforward, but make sure to follow any prompts or instructions that appear on your screen. Once the installation is complete, it's time to open the app. This is the fun part where you can really start making your email campaigns come to life. After launching the app, you'll see an option to create campaign. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. These templates are designed to give your campaign a professional and appealing look without you having to start from scratch. However, if you're feeling creative, you can also choose to customize your campaign's appearance entirely. Play around with the color schemes, fonts, and layout until you find something that truly represents your brand. With your design in place, your campaign is now ready for launch. The final step is to click on the Review option. This is your opportunity to go through the campaign with a fine-tooth comb and ensure everything is perfect. Check for any misspellings, awkward sentences, or formatting issues. It's always a good idea to send a test email just to see how it appears in your inbox. Once you're satisfied and you've previewed everything thoroughly, it's time to send it out to your customers. Sending it out completes the process. Congratulations! You've successfully created and sent your very first free email marketing campaign using Shopify. Email marketing is such a powerful tool to connect with your audience, promote your products, and even build a community around your brand. Over time, as you become more familiar with the features of the Shopify email app, you'll be able to refine your strategies and create even more effective campaigns. So, thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to experiment with different styles and messages and watch how your engagement grows. Happy emailing!